2014 Jaguar F-Type. We're going to reset the service reminder that pops up as soon as you start it here. And service required. Okay. So what you're going to want to do is turn the car off. Open the hood. I already have the hood open, but pop the hood open. And then crack the door open. Now what you're going to do, keep your foot off the brake. Okay. And we're going to hit the engine start button one time, power up everything. And what you want to do is put your foot on the brake and the gas, push it down all the way, hold it there for like 10 seconds. Okay, so you need the hood open, the door open, the car powered up, brake, gas, and we wait. Okay, so it's been about 10 seconds, okay? So what we're gonna do now is close the door, and we're gonna start this guy up. And you should have no more message.